In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw using Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or you've been using it for a while, this easy tutorial will guide you through drawing directly in the app with no fuss. Let's jump right in and explore this creative feature together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Canva website and log in with your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries, getting an account is straightforward. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's familiar, intuitive interface. You'll find yourself at the main dashboard, which should look welcoming with all your past designs and endless templates to choose from. But today we're going to start from scratch to focus on our drawing skills. Now, to begin drawing, you'll need to create or open a design. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can pick the type of design you want, like a poster, a social media post, or any other standard size Canva offers. Choose whatever suits your needs for this drawing exercise. Once you've selected the format, your design canvas will open, and that's where the fun starts. Next, to access the drawing tool, look towards the left-hand side of your design window where all your design elements and tools are housed. You should see a panel with options like templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, and more. From this panel, click on the tools icon. It might take a second or two to fully load, but once it does, you'll see an option labeled Draw. Click on this draw icon to activate Canva's drawing feature. Now you're ready to begin your masterpiece. Once the drawing tool is activated, you can start doodling away on your page. A toolbar should appear that allows you to choose different brush types, colors, and sizes. Take your time exploring these options because they can help bring your drawing to life with depth and creativity. Drawing in Canva can be as simple or as intricate as you want it to be. You can adjust the size of your brush for delicate work or broad strokes, change the opacity for shading effects, and choose from a wide color palette to match your vision. Whether you're sketching a basic shape or an elaborate design, the flexibility is yours. Don't forget to periodically save your work so nothing gets lost. Canva saves periodically by itself, but a manual save for reassurance never hurts. Once you're happy with your drawing, you can download it, share it directly from Canva, or integrate it into other projects or presentations. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to drawing in Canva. Enjoy experimenting and creating with these versatile tools and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching and happy creating.